Now this is the Karcher adapter that you will need to use if you want to connect two hoses together to extend the length. So what you need to do is disconnect the trigger and the hose, just like this. Then attach the adapter on one end. So just pull the clip up, it will open up, push the hose end in, and then push the clip down, and then it's locked in. Then you just have to do the other side as well. It's very simple. There you go. So once you've got that, you're basically extending your hose and you've got a longer hose to use. So now I'm just going to show you how it works when you actually have the water running. One thing to note is, because there's a bit of water pressure, when you try to remove the adapter, it would be a bit hard. So make sure you turn off the tap and make sure there's no water in the system. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy this from. It's very cheap and it does the job. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.